Glory. In this mind of mine, I took time to find more time to be fine. As my thoughts incline and climb on high, March, I refuse to let Eden drain energy from I. Monsters are creeping, thinking I'm sleeping, I'm fully awake, 4 decades bleeding. Fighting while smiling, even while I'm weeping, the journey continues, even while I'm bleeding. You'll never make it. I ignore their speaking, their fiction is singularly misleading. Persuasion, invasions, beasts and zombies trying to control me but can't understand me. Be silent. I fight without violence. Spoken words subdue you like a hostage tyrant. I am your children's children. History assignment. Writing myself in the future with provoking highlights to capture your eyesight. I need you to understand me. It's pointless to try and ban me. I'm fueling the world with words like bright lights. I write what I like, whether or not you like it's my choice. I'm greater than your thought, tell them precisely. The fight continues, there are many others just like me.